Welcome to ZT classes.
Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to draw human excretory system. So it is symmetrical along the central axis. So let's draw the axis first, and we'll draw the right kidney first. Right, so this diagram we are seeing the person from the front. So this kidney will be the right kidney of that person, and let's draw the left kidney. Now once the kidneys are drawn, we'll draw the main vein or inferior vena cava, which will take the purified blood from the kidney to the heart. So veins we usually denote by blue color, and let's draw the main artery or the dorsal aorta, which is bringing the blood directly from the heart to the kidney to get it purified. So these small branches which are drawn, these are your renal veins, and this is your renal arteries are there. So artery we denote by red color, so let's color it. Now from the kidney the urine will go to the urinary bladder with the help of ureter. So let's draw the ureters. So this is your left ureter. Let's draw the right ureter. So both the ureters are drawn. Let's draw the urinary bladder, which is connected to the ureter. So from urinary bladder, this lower part is your urethra, through which the urine is going out from the body. So in this, let's draw the internal part of the kidney. So in this I am showing the right part of the kidney, the dissection part. This is the pyramids in medulla, and this is the pelvis region we are drawing now. And let's draw the nephrons in the medulla region. So these are nephrons, the basic unit of kidney, being shown here. Now what is left to be shown here is that attached with the kidney on the top part, you have got the adrenaline gland is there. So adrenal gland is being shown here. So it forms the steroid hormones, like adrenaline is being formed. So this is our diagram which is ready. Let's label the diagram. So we'll start with the main vein, which is inferior vena cava, and the main artery, which is dorsal aorta, and branching out from inferior vena cava is your renal vein, and from dorsal aorta it is your renal arteries are there. On the top of the kidney you have got, so this is kidney is there, and on top of kidney you have got adrenal gland is there. Next, this yellow tubes which are coming down are ureter, and down below is urinary bladder, and the outlet from urinary bladder is what is your urethra. Inside the kidney, so this empty part outside is cortex, and these pyramid shapes are your medulla, and inside from medulla the urine is getting filtered and going into the pelvic region with the help of nephrons. This is your pelvis region. So this is your complete diagram of urinary system or excretory system. So I hope it will be easy for you now to draw this diagram in the exam.